is week 2 of Country Swinging Two-Step. This is our second week of two-step. I'm Amber with Last Dance Gulch, and this is Julie, my model. So tonight we reviewed our basic two-step footwork. We worked on our outside turn for the follow, and then we worked on our what I call my corner spins or partner spins. So here we are in basic staggered two-step position. I go forward on my left, she goes backward on her right. Quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. On the quick or the one, I'm going to take my hand up and over, and she's going to follow it into an outside turn. She's going to go quick, quick, slow, slow. She's going to land backwards on her right leg. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Do it from a couple angles. Here we go, and quick, quick, slow, slow. That was our outside turn. Now we're going to work on our partner spin. What I'm going to do is we're going to kind of turn or spin together, kind of in a double time fashion, and it's about the creation of tension and the release of tension. And I really create the tension with my right hand as the lead on her mid-back, near or around her shoulder blade. Kind of create this tension on the 6 so that we're able to really start our spin on the 1. Okay? And I'm going to go quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Here I am creating that tension. And I'm going to step with my left in my small little bubble. You're moving pretty quick with a small amount of space. It's quick, quick, slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. I'll do it again. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Create the tension. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Release the tension. Create the tension. Quick, quick, slow, slow. Release the tension. Create the tension. Release. And that is your partner spin. Big bow, Julie.